Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, as you can see, they're steaming hot. We're going to do eggplant pasta. I'm using linguine. You can use any pasta you want. The pasta sauce is with tomato, garlic and cream. It's delicious. It's super easy. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. Spaghetti. I'm using a linguine. You could use any type you want. Fusilli, spaghetti, penne, up to you. That's 250 grams uncooked. I've no idea what it weighs now. Eggplant, aubergine, brinjal, whatever you call that. Now I've kind of cut it into quite nice kind of chunky pieces. Cut it smaller if you want. 1 can, 400 ml of crushed tomatoes. 120 grams of, 120 ml of cream. Now I'll get lots of questions about this. This is a thick cooking cream. It doesn't matter what cream you use. You can use a thin or single cream, as we call it in the UK, or a thick cream. It will make no difference. Sour cream is probably not a good idea. 1 onion chopped, little bit of celery, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 or 3 tablespoons of oregano. We're going to start this off with some oil, add some salt and pepper. This is so easy and it is so delicious. Okay, so I've got a frying pan here. I've got some olive oil in there. We're going to drop in our onion. I'm using white onion today. You could use red if you wanted. The celery, the garlic. And we're going to cook this just on a medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just like 3 minutes, nice and gentle, nice medium heat. I've just turned the heat up a little bit. We're now going to drop in our eggplant or aubergine, whatever you call that. Like I say, cut it how you want. I've cut mine quite chunky. 4 to 5 minutes with the heat a little bit higher now. Not maximum heat, but above medium. Keep it moving. I'll see you then. Absolutely fabulous. Look at that. Simply, we're going to get that 1 can of tomatoes, which I've crushed already. We're going to go back to just below a medium heat now. And we're going to let that go for 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Look at that, beautiful. Nice and gentle there. Just enough time to cook those tomatoes out a little bit. Salt, black pepper, and that little bit of oregano or oregano, whatever you guys call that. Super, super easy. Now, if you want to keep this vegan, there you go. Get that on your pasta. We're now going to add the cream. Like I say, thick or thin cream is not going to make any difference. It's all going to work out the same. What I'm going to do now is cook this for about another 2 minutes, stirring all the time. Then we're ready for the pasta. Absolutely wonderful. Now, if you want, you can get your pasta, get it in there and mix it. I'm going to serve this on our pasta. So simple. Okay, and there you go. Just so easy. Just finish off a little bit of flat leaf parsley. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That helps us out a great deal. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.